Trying to open some Burt Packs here, but you know who. I got Dave in the middle of texting. I'm back. I'm just gonna rip these four real quick. I was watching Trader B's on right now, actually, doing a rip of these. Let's see what we get. There it is. There's the boom. You're seeing it first. It's a penny. All right, that's cool. 1957, proof 68. We'll take that. That's probably a $50 penny. Not what I was looking for. So that's 3 Burt Packs I've opened without a hit. So we're due. I got 3 left. Ready? You guys see what it is yet? I cannot. It's another dime. Okay. Flip it around here. 1954 PF 68. Man, I'm like hammering these dimes and pennies here. Got a 63 and a 2 more to go. No Burts yet. All right, ready? A quarter. Let's go. Let's go. I got a Burt's 1964 25C quarter. Let's go. So yeah, that was 5 packs, and then I got my hit. So I'll look up some prices when I'm done. All right, one more. Let's get a Goldie. I saw a glimpse. I don't think it's a Goldie. Another quarter though. Let's go. 1963 25C. All right, well, so I spent $172. And I got a 1963 quarter, a 1964 quarter, and PF 69. That was one of the Burt hits. Let me price these, and I'll come back and tell you what they're worth. Guys, these are banging. Not $80, $95, 95, 95.